What's up, everybody? We are here today at the Magic Kingdom. I'm hanging out with my best friends, Minnie Mouse and Roy Disney. It is noon, and today we have a kind of weird challenge. We're gonna try to go ride all of the mountains and see how quickly we can do it with the crowds. So again, I said it's noon right now, so let's try to do Big Thunder, Splash, and Space, and then see how long that takes us with the crowds. It's also Friday, so that should play into our wait times a little bit. But let's go on. So walking on Main Street, I think we're gonna head over to Frontierland. But you can see right in front of us, it is the Winnie the Pooh crew and their little mini character cavalcade. So if you haven't seen any of our videos before, where we talk about the reservations, pretty much what you have to do is when you get a ticket or your annual pass or anything, you go on the Disney website and you make a reservation for the park that you want to go to that day. It's pretty easy, but I get that it's pretty confusing because you never had to do it before. And heading on into Adventureland, I mean, you could tell scale, no one is around us. So that's pretty good. Maybe our challenge will be pretty quick then. Passing Magic Carpets with Aladdin. We're actually gonna go check out Jungle Cruise real quick for 1 second. So I know Jungle Cruise just actually came out with a new piece of merchandise. It's kind of like a skipper hat. I'll put it in right here. But I don't really know where you get that because there's no like merchandise shop down here. Passing Pirates. That's a 20-minute wait, but it looks like it's just a walk on. But again, we're here to ride all three mountains. So coming up on Splash, it looks like Big Thunder is a 30. And we'll check on Splash in 1 second. And Splash is a 30 also. So let's go on Splash and then Big Thunder. Let's go have a good time. So as you can tell, just got off Splash. It is now 12:45, so it took about 45 minutes of a posted 30. So let's go get in Big Thunder's line right now and see how long that is. So it's a 40-minute wait. We're gonna hop on in. Comes all the way out here, but let's go get on Big Thunder. All right, it's been 5 minutes and we're here.
Your party another.
You can see right here where there would be normally the crank, not happening right now. They took them all off. All right, let's pick a side. All right, row 11, let's go do this. Big Thunder Mountain. Woo! Here we go! That was cool, seeing the Liberty Bell. That was a good time. So 110, you're done 2 mountains in 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's go over to Space Mountain and see how long it takes us to do all 3 mountains with waiting on a Friday. So as I said on the roller coaster, down 2 mountains in 1 hour and 10 minutes. Let's head over to Space Mountain and see what's going on over there. On our way over to Space Mountain, but look who's over here first. Chip and Dale. Howdy. Howdy. There they go. We're gonna head on over to Space Mountain. So, little update. It's been 1 hour and 15 minutes. We got on Splash Mountain in the line, about a 30-minute wait. Got through that and got on Big Thunder. Probably about a 20-minute wait. Did that also, so yay for us. And we are heading on into Tomorrowland. We've been on this challenge for about 1 hour and 20 now, and we've been able to ride 2 of the mountains, going to the 3rd one now. But all in all, pretty easy. Didn't wait that long for any of them. Let's see what space is like. Walking past Monsters Inc. last floor, still closed. Buzz Lightyear Blasters still open. Tomorrowland People Mover still closed. Carousel of Progress still open. Astral Orbiters, while it's not running right now, it is running. I can see people over there on Tomorrowland Speedway, and then we're walking straight to Space Mountains. So approaching Space Mountain, it says 10-minute wait. You can see there's some outside queue being used, but we're gonna go ahead in line at 120, so let's try it. I don't know if you can tell, but we are in line inside AC. It's probably been about 6-7 minutes, so it'll probably be closer to 10. But I'll let you know when we get on, and you'll hear me scream. See loading both sides. All right, here we go. Getting in on number 1. Let's do it. Space Mountain. Have a fun time. All right, we're on Space Mountain. 1 hour 35, 3rd mountain, doing it. No point of filming, I'm just gonna be screaming. And exiting to Tomorrowland. So that'll complete all 3 mountains. Got to do them in 1 hour and 30 minutes, starting at 12. It's 1:35 now. Splash, Space, and Big Thunder. And I'll catch up with you guys when I get out of this place. So back at the castle. Let me know what you guys think of the new castle. I'm gonna put in a picture of the old castle right here, but let me know which one you guys like more. But like I said, we are going to be heading to the Emporium and check out what new stuff or what they have over there, and then head on home. Look at all this Halloween merchandise. So much of it. Hey, get out of here. So walking, like if we're coming from Casey's Corner, you can see all of the t-shirts on the t-shirt wall. Good selection. And then it looks like they have a bunch of Pride stuff over here as well. And then over in the middle, you got all of the Halloween merchandise. Got a bunch of stuff from magic bands over here to board games to candy to pins. You got all your Baby Yoda merchandise right there. And then it's more of like your toy stuff right over here. And you check out and yeah, get a good look as we are leaving today. So that'll do it from us here at Magic Kingdom today. I know it was kind of a shorter video, but an interesting one nonetheless. Got to ride all 3 mountains, took about 1:40 hours. Pretty good. If you liked the video, go ahead, like it. If you want to subscribe to see more future stuff, do that as well. But thanks for watching. Stay tuned because we got more on the way. Have a good one. Peace.